I'm getting married tomorrow.
So?
Well, before I get married, I have one more question for you.
Okay, go ahead.
I really want to know, why did you break up with me when we were about to get married 3 years ago?
Does it still matter?
It matters a lot to me. For the past 3 years, even though I've loved someone else, I've always thought about you. I can't understand. We were so happy, but after we tried on wedding dresses, you decided to break up with me. You were so cruel.
Oh, Jack. It's just that I didn't love you enough to marry you.
You're lying. Do you think I'll believe that?
Jack, you're getting married now, and this doesn't matter anymore.
Please just give me the real answer. I want to leave the past behind and move on, but only when I know your answer can I be at peace.
All right, Jack. If you want the real answer, go home and ask your mom.
My mom?
Yes, ask her.
Oh, you didn't know this, but my mom passed away almost 2 years ago.
What did you say?
My mom passed away almost 2 years ago.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know. How did your mom pass away?
She had cancer.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that.
It's okay, but why would my mom know the reason for our breakup?
Oh, Jack, if I tell you, please don't blame your mom.
I promise. Oh, what did she say?
On the day we tried on wedding dresses after we got home, your mom called me. She said my dad and she were classmates when they were young.
Oh, is that so? I didn't know that.
Neither did I. I was very surprised.
And then what happened?
Then she said my dad really liked your mom, but because my dad was poor, he couldn't marry her.
Oh, why would she tell you these things?
She said I was poor and not as successful as you, so she wanted you to break up with me. She wanted you to marry a rich girl.
I can't believe my mom would say that to you. I'm so sorry.
You don't have to apologize. I've forgotten everything.
But why didn't you tell me this sooner?
Oh, Jack, I didn't want you to argue with your mom. And you know, my dad passed away, and I love my dad very much. I don't want anyone to insult my dad, but your mom did that. To be honest with you, after hearing what your mom said about my dad, I didn't want to marry her son anymore.
I'm so sorry for what my mom said to you. I wish you had told me this sooner.
Even if you knew, we would have broken up anyway. We couldn't be together.
Maybe my mom's words hurt you a lot. I'm so sorry.
I told you, I'm not angry with your mom anymore.
Thank you for telling me the truth, but you're so cold. If it were me, I couldn't have broken up with you as decisively as you did.
I'm sad too, but what can I do? We couldn't get married. It's not because your mom stopped us, but because I decided to leave.
Thank you for telling me the truth.
Now you can leave the past behind, right?
Oh, I'm not sure. I'm still very shocked.
Jack, it's all in the past. Forget about it and move on. You're getting married tomorrow.
Yes, I'm getting married tomorrow.
Okay, you've learned what you wanted to know, so I'll go now.
Wait, it's getting dark. Let me give you a ride.
Oh no, I can go home by myself.
You are always strong like that.
I'm going now. I wish you happiness.
I hope you find your own happiness soon too.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.